Okay, Tamara, this winter salad sounds like a perfect item to brighten your day.
I'm excited to make the winter salad with you, Tamara.
So the winter salad is going to be with pears and lemon, which excites me because those are some of my favorite flavors.
Okay, great. So we're gonna start off with the dressing.
Sure.
Okay, so we're gonna add some olive oil there. We have our lemon juice that we need to do. So
Some mustard here.
this is our dressing, and so Tamara, you like to put the dressing on the bottom here
Sure.
of your bowl, right?
Yeah, I do sometimes. But you don't have to, right? We have options.
Yeah, it's nice to do it this way because it just incorporates beautifully and all the dressing coats the ingredients. So you may not have to use as much really to get the deliciousness that you're looking for.
So are there any dressings that are healthier than others?
So in terms of healthy dressings, the ones you make at home are really good, right? Like so trying to make your own dressings is a great way to reduce the sodium, reduce the additives. There are a lot of hidden additives in things that we might not consider. Like dressings are a good example, and it's a great way to balance out the types of fats that you're eating. So if you have to worry about the heart health and cholesterol, it's a really good way to swap out maybe some higher saturated fat ingredients for things like olive oil, which we're using here. So I do really think it's easy to make your own dressing. I usually do it in a jar like this.
Oh, I love it.
And
I'm a big fan of the mason jar.
You do? Okay. Yeah. And how long, like, what do you do with it? How do you navigate the batch cooking of the dressing, batch making of it? What do you use it for?
Making?
Yeah, you make a batch of it, or do you use it all in the salad?
Oh no, you can make you can use the big mason jar if you want, or you can put it in smaller ones and use it each time that you have a salad, and then you don't have to make the dressing every single time.
Oh, that's
right?
true.
Yeah, it's got more than enough of the.
I love
onion.
it. Put it in.
I
love onion. You love onion? I love onion.
I love onion.
Vitamin C, good taste. How can you go wrong?
This is true.
All right.
All right.
Will you take some lettuce?
Once I stop crying.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
I'm just going to check this pasta
Cover it up with
while I'm here.
lettuce.
Perfect. All right. Thank you.
So here it is. If you don't want to use romaine, you don't have to. If the romaine doesn't look good at the market, right?
Which happens.
Yeah.
Right? It
yeah.
happens.
What do you like using if romaine?
I really like green leaf lettuce and I like butter lettuce. So either one would work, right?
Yeah.
I like kale too sometimes. It's very in right now.
Yeah.
Can we use a different sweetener other than maple syrup?
Yeah. You can use fruit, right?
Yeah.
Fruit is great. Dried fruit, which we'll be using here. I've got some dried strawberries, actually.
Oh, that's a good
Yeah.
idea.
Isn't that kind of fun?
Yes.
The recipe calls for, I think, for cranberries.
Cranberries.
Yeah.
Oh, I should be starting to cut up the apple.
Oh, I want to eat that apple.
So not everyone wants a salad when it's cold out. Any tips for making salads more like a staple throughout the year?
So that's why I kind of really like this winter salad. I think you're using, the apple, the pear. It's kind of bringing in a little more layers. We're going to use some seeds as well. You can use the slivered almonds you bought for your apple crisp,
Sometimes I roast my seeds too.
Yeah, and the roasting, such a great way to bring in that winter flavor. So you want to winterize your salad because it is difficult to eat salad sometimes, right?
Winterize it.
Winterize it.
That salad looks actually awesome.
Yeah, it's so cute. So when you have people coming over, the salad is ready, right? If you're having guests, and the dressing's just on the bottom. So all you need to do is just finish it right before you serve it. Doesn't get soggy. I like that.
That's a great
And
idea.
you're saving dishes.
Saving dishes.
I love saving dishes.
It's so
I don't have to make another
it's so
dish.
important. Yeah.